Hello dear student, once again welcome in this class. In last video we have discussed about the nucleophilic substitution reaction of benzene or we can say haloarenes. Today we are going to discuss another important topic, electrophilic substitution reactions. What is electrophilic substitution reactions? First of all, we should know what is electrophilic substitution reactions. We need to know what is electrophilic substitution reactions. When the substitutions takes place through electrophile is called electrophilic substitution reactions, and in this case the substitutions of hydrogen from benzene nucleus substituted by electrophile, so it is called electrophilic substitution reactions. Okay, now in your reduced syllabus we have to discuss only three electrophilic substitution reactions. One is halogenation, nitrations, sulfonations. Okay, so we will discuss one by one. Let us see what is first of is halogenation. Halogenation. In this reaction, when halogen is treated with haloarenes in the presence of halogen carrier like FeCl3 or anhydrous AlCl3 to form ortho and para product. Okay, ortho and para substituted product we can say as. Why ortho and para substituted product? Because the halogen atom already situated in the benzene ring is ortho and para directing group. So the incoming group attaches to the para or ortho positions on the benzene ring. So give ortho and para directing substituted ortho and para substituted product. Let us see how when chlorobenzene is treated with chlorine in the presence of halogen carrier like FeCl3 or anhydrous AlCl3. Okay, let us write here or anhydrous AlCl3 to form orthodichlorobenzene, para-dichlorobenzene. You know 1,2 condition in the benzene ring known as ortho and 1,4 condition in the benzene ring known as para position. So it is ortho condition, it is para condition. So orthodichloro, the D should be capital, orthodichlorobenzene, and it is para dichlorobenzene. Okay, the byproduct is HCl. Clear? Here no need to balance the reaction. Okay, next one is nitration. You can see in this condition the chlorine attack on the ortho position or para position. So it forms orthodichlorobenzene or para-dichlorobenzene. Because the chlorine already situated on the benzene ring is ortho and para directing. So incoming group will attach to the ortho position or para position. Next is nitration. In this reaction, the hydrogen atom of the benzene ring from ortho and para position substituted by nitro group, so it is called nitration. But in this reaction, for the nitration, we have to treat the haloarenes with concentrated nitric acid in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. Okay, let us see when chlorobenzene treated with nitric acid HNO3 should be concentrated In the presence of concentrated H2SO4, the nitro group from HNO3 will reduce the hydrogen from ortho position and para positions to form ortho para substituted product. Let us see. Fluoro and the nitro group here and fluoro nitro group. That means ortho nitrochlorobenzene and para nitrochlorobenzene. Ortho nitrochlorobenzene and para nitrochlorobenzene. Clear? Okay. Next is sulfonation. What is sulfonation? Same definition like nitration. In sulfonations, the hydrogen of benzene ring substituted by sulfonic acid group. When for the sulfonation, when haloair is treated with concentrated sulfuric acid, the hydrogen atom of the benzene ring substituted by sulfonic acid group, and this is known sulfonic acid group. This is known sulfonic acid group. Clear? Let us see in this reaction. When chlorobenzene treated with H2SO4 concentrated to form and SO3H. This is orthochlorobenzene sulfonic acid. Orthochlorobenzene sulfonic acid, or this is parachlorobenzene sulfonic acid. Clear? And second one is Friedel-Crafts reactions. But in reduced syllabus, Friedel-Crafts reaction is not included, so we will not discuss. Next, reaction with metals. Third one is reaction with metals. Reaction with metals. Okay? Reaction with metals. First of all, reaction with lithium. Reaction with lithium. When bromoarenes or iodoarenes treated with lithium, it forms phenyllithium. Here, when bromo or iodobenzene treated with lithium, it forms phenyllithium. Lithium and lithium bromide as a byproduct. So it multiplies by 2 for the balance. Next one is reaction with sodium metal. Reaction with sodium metals. In this reaction, when haloarenes is treated with sodium metals in the presence of dry ether to form diphenyl. Okay, in this reaction, you can arrange that when chlorobenzene react with sodium from this side, same condition, chlorobenzene, that means you can write here 2 molecules. If you don't want to write this like this, in the presence of dry ether, it forms diphenyl. It forms diphenyl. Okay, with the elimination of sodium chloride to molecule. Clear? This reaction is known as Fittig reaction. Okay, this reaction is known as Fittig reactions. Okay, known as Fittig reaction. But when haloarenes treated with alkyl halide and in the presence of sodium and in the presence of dry ether, or you can say the ethereal solution of alkyl halide when treated with haloarenes in the presence of sodium to form alkarene. Okay, that means form it is. Let us see, when haloarenes treated with sodium and in this side alkyl halide in the presence of dry ether to form toluene. Okay, with the elimination of NaCl2 molecule. Clear? This reaction is known as Wurtz-Fittig reaction. Very important reaction, Fittig reaction and Wurtz-Fittig reaction. Next reaction with magnesium. Reaction with magnesium. Reaction with magnesium. In this reaction, aryl halide is treated with magnesium in the presence of dry ether to form aryl magnesium halide is known as Grignard reagent. Okay, in this reaction is treated with, you can write here, haloarenes is treated with magnesium in the presence of dry ether to form aryl magnesium halide known as Grignard reagent. Okay, very important reactions. Next one is reaction with copper powder. Reaction with copper powder. In this reaction, iodobenzene is treated with copper powder to form diphenyl is known as Ullmann reaction. In this reaction, iodobenzene is treated with copper to form diphenyl okay, and byproduct is cuprous iodide, diphenyl. This reaction is known as Ullmann reaction. Very important reaction. Now we have finished all the chemical properties of haloarenes. Okay, in next video we will discuss about the chloroform and hydroform. Okay, now I hope you understand it. Okay, so thank you. We will discuss next topic in next video. Okay, thank you.